This is the Walmart Firework Challenge. I'm at the Walmart in the Centennial Hills neighborhood of Las Vegas. See what they have. Starting with Kickin Party. They have the Summer Blast. This is a new assortment for this year. Price is $11.97. It comes with confetti, poppers, snaps on one. They have the Don't Stop the Pop assortment, $34.97. Party Fever assortment, I don't see a price for it. Then they have the Patriot Poppets and the Unicorn Poppets. Price this year is $2.47. More Kickin Party. Party Fever assortment, there's the price, $14.97. I believe that's gone up since last year. Coming around behind me, we have the new for this year, smoke balls, red, white, and blue smoke balls. Comes in a box of 9, new for 2026 for the new for 4th of July. Price is $2.97 for those. We have the 4-pack poppets. We have the sparklers, $2.97. That's the same price as last year. More of the same. Then follow me down this way. They have the Fun Formula small assortment. Price is now $14.97. That price has gone up. Kickin Party again, $14.97. That price has gone up. It was $13 last year. They have the new for 2026, new for this year, the Confetti Cannon, red, white, and blue. Price is $3.27. More poppets, Patriot Poppets, Dino Poppets, Unicorn Poppets, Don't Stop the Pop assortment. Lot of poppets. Come around this way. On the sidekick here, they have the Confetti Cannon and the sparklers. The red, white, and blue, they're actually gold. They're not color. And then finally, on this sidekick are the streamer cannon. No confetti in this one. It shoots out a streamer. It's attached to a string so it doesn't go all over the place. So that's $3.27, and this is what they have at the Walmart in Centennial Hills, Las Vegas. The Walmart Firework Challenge.